So many things going on here. Give me just one sec. Okay, so here we are. Aloha. My name is Greg Pentecost with Getting to Escrow, where we train real estate agents to master their time, their income, and their prosperity. And I'm here today to share with you just a little announcement, a quick announcement. We have an upcoming workshop that we're putting on. It's going to be a free 5-day workshop. And we're looking at putting it on here at the end of the month. That's the end of August in 2020. 2020. So the workshop's going to be about the best practices that I've learned, that I've helped agents to master over the years when it comes to finding great clients. So that's it. Just know that it's coming up. Keep an eye out for it. Look for upcoming announcements with further details, and I'll continue to go ahead and post and support the group. But look for the upcoming announcements for Finding Great Clients. It's a free 5-day workshop where, once again, I'll be covering the best practices that I have used in my business, not just real estate, but in other businesses, and I've helped many real estate agents master over the years. That's it. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you have any questions, by all means, send me a message, and I look forward to talking with you soon. Mahalo.